Hey guys, today I have a different type of video. It's gonna be me explaining the possible permutations of the new Moyu 13x13 that just came out. Depends on when you're watching this, but when I'm making this, it just came out. So, 13x13 permutations. So first, any big cube has a odd layer cube, has edges, which are these pieces, the center edges, then the corners, which are there's 8. So you could just do like the outer shell of a 3x3. So how many permutations are on a 3x3? That is 4.325 times 10 to the 19. So take that, you multiply it by now. Any big cube has these wings. So there's 24 of them, and they can't change orientation because if you put this one in the other way, like this, it just can't fit. So there's no orientation, so you just multiply by 24 factorial. On 13x13, there is 5 pairs. I'll have a picture here of a 13x13. Actually, I don't have one, but basically 13x13, there's a middle edges, so that's 12. There's 2 corners, so there's 10, so there's 5 pairs. Take that to the power 5. And then the last and biggest number is the centers. So how centers work, is here I have a V cube 7 pieces. There are different types of center pieces. This is a middle center, and this is a side center. So on the 13x13, every type I'll tell you has 4 pieces on each side. So like a 4x4, if I could find it somewhere. Here's a width 4. There's 4 center pieces on each, so that is 24. If you do 4 times 6, 24 factorial. But you have to divide by something here. There's 4 colors. 4 pieces for each color, so 4 factorial. There's 6 sides to the power 6. And all that you take to the power 30, because there's 30 different types of centerpieces on 13x13. So if you work this number out, 24 factorial to the power of 5, that will equal 9.194 E plus 118. So let me write this down. This number now becomes 9.1945 times 10 to the 118. So now the centers, I think we need a better calculating, calculator? Instead of the Google calculator, because it can't handle it. So let's try that. So on the computer here, hopefully it can focus, I have a 100-digit calculator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take 24 factorial. 24 factorial. Calculate. That equals to this number. So I put this number in, divided by 4 factorial, which is 4 factorial. 4 factorial, which is 24 to the power 6. So 24 to the power 6. So divided by this number. that equals to this number. If you could see that, if my camera will focus. So we now need another calculating software or calculator to do the next step, take that to the power 30. So here's the new calculator. This is a 2000 digit calculator. So I'm going to take this number, which is that giant number that you just saw. You take that to the power of 30. Because there's 30 different types of centerpieces. Then you'll get this number, 2.203 times 10 to the 465. So next, this one is 2.20367 times 10 to the 465. So that is a big number, so you multiply them together. So take this number, so you take this number, the massive number that we saw, let's say 4325. I think that's enough. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay. Calculate that calculation. Okay, that doesn't do any good. Basically, you multiply. Okay, next you get this number, which you have to put in there again. So excuse the slow whatever. Okay, so then you take that and multiply it by 9.1945 times. I gotta count. So this is just actually just an approximation. So you take that, multiply by that, give you 8.76 times 10 to the 600. So 8.76 times 10 to the 600. So just imagine how big that number is. That's for a new video. So yeah, this is the total possible 13 by 13 permutations. And more of this type of video coming up soon. So next video, I don't know what. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Wait, it's not over yet. This is actually the whole thing. I'm just gonna read the first couple of digits out. 87635723170831388996667715061115